Imagine living a life free from the burdens of debt, a life in which you're in control of your finances. Intriguing, isn't it? This is the promise held within the pages of the Total Money Makeover, a book penned by the financial expert Dave Ramsey. This book doesn't just offer advice, it presents a comprehensive plan for achieving financial independence through disciplined budgeting and strategic debt repayment. In a world where consumer debt has become a norm, this book serves as a beacon of hope. It's an antidote to the stress and anxiety that comes with financial instability. Ramsey's wisdom, distilled into 7 baby steps, provides readers with the tools they need to take control of their financial destiny. The Total Money Makeover doesn't promise a quick fix, but a complete overhaul of your financial habits. The Total Money Makeover is not just a book, it's a journey towards financial freedom. The road to financial freedom is paved with 7 baby steps, as Ramsey puts it. Let's dive right into these steps and explore what they entail. The first step is to save $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. This fund serves as a safety net for those unexpected life hiccups that can throw a wrench in your financial plans. Think of it as your financial airbag, ready to cushion you from the impact of sudden expenses. The second step is to start a debt snowball. Imagine rolling a small snowball down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. In the same way, you start by paying off your smallest debt, then roll that payment into the next smallest, and so forth. This method provides quick wins, motivating you to keep going. The third step is to build up your emergency fund until it covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your fortress of solitude, your buffer against life's storms. It's not about pessimism, but preparedness. In the fourth step, you'll invest 15% of your household income into retirement. Picture planting a seed that will grow into a sturdy tree, providing shade and fruits for your golden years. The fifth step is about securing your children's future by saving for their college education. It's like putting on their life vests before they plunge into the ocean of adulthood. The sixth step is to pay off your home early. Imagine removing the heaviest weight off your shoulders and the freedom that brings. Finally, the seventh step is to build wealth and give. This is the pinnacle of the financial mountain. You're no longer surviving, you're thriving. And in that position, you can reach out and lift others up. These steps may seem straightforward, but their power lies in their simplicity and consistency. The journey to financial freedom may be long and challenging, but with these steps, it's a journey you're well equipped to take. Knowing the steps is one thing, but making them work for you is another. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's not enough to simply understand the principles laid out in the Total Money Makeover. You've got to apply them. And that requires discipline, patience, and a whole lot of commitment. Let's be honest, discipline in any form is tough. But the discipline to control your finances, that's a whole different ballgame. It's not just about saving a few bucks here and there. It's about changing your entire lifestyle. It's about making sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. And patience, oh, patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire be. It takes time to clear debts, to save, to invest. But remember, time is an ally, not an enemy. And the benefits? They're worth it. Peace of mind, financial security, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. The Total Money Makeover is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a lifelong commitment to financial discipline. So, is the Total Money Makeover worth your time? Absolutely. Let's quickly recap why. The book isn't just about getting out of debt. It's about reshaping your entire perspective on money. It gives you a robust 7-step plan, which, if followed, can lead you to a life free from the shackles of financial stress. The principles in this book are not just theoretical concepts. They are practical, applicable, and have helped millions of people worldwide to achieve financial freedom. Whether it's about saving for emergencies, investing wisely, or paying off your mortgage, the book has a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped into. And let's not forget the most important part. Applying these principles doesn't just benefit you, but your family and future generations as well. It's about creating a legacy of financial stability and success. The Total Money Makeover is more than a book. It's a blueprint for financial success. So if you're ready to take control of your finances, this book is a great place to start. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.